Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. How are you guys doing? I hope you're well and you're doing good. Alright, so I got this huge package from Zaroncosmetics, and this is it, you guys. We're going to be unboxing it today. The video is not going to be long at all, so I'm just going to get right into it. Alright, so I got a call this morning, right towards afternoon, around 12 o'clock. That I have a package from Jumia, and I was like, what? I didn't order anything, and nobody called me that they were going to send me anything, and I already opened it out of excitement. So I hope you guys can hear me clearly. Of course, you can see that is Zaron. So I'm opening it on one side, so while I'm talking you guys will see what it looks like on this part of the video. So I'll put a short clip on this side. So the first thing I have in my hand, this is the Zaron face definer. It's the SD face definer. It's a 3-in-1 highlight, contour and bronze palette. Absolutely amazing. I have one. I'm glad I got sent this one again, and it's so beautiful. Love it. Yeah, the next thing I got is the Zaron bronzer palette. This is also a 3-in-1 bronzer palette. I love the gold packaging, like it's really cute. The very next big thing I got is this palette. It's so beautiful, guys. I love this eyeshadow palette. This one is called Earth. Zaron actually has 3 types of this same eyeshadow palette, but this one is called Earth. There's another one, sorry, Smudge. There's another one called Earth, and there's another one called Splash. I'm going to leave the different shadow palettes on this side of the screen for you guys to check it out. But this is the one I got. Love it, so beautiful. I also got some, my skin regenerating hydrating serum. You guys know I love this product. I actually got one during the makeup fair that just ended last 2 weeks Sunday, and I'm getting another one today. This makes me super happy. Then I got the Zaron oil pore minimizer. I've always wanted to get my hand on this, and I'm glad it came in my package today. Love it. Usage, how to use this oil free pore minimizer. You can use it as a base, wear along or before makeup. What it does is basically minimizes the appearance of pores, which is something I'm more interested in because I work with a lot of ladies, and sometimes they have like large open pores, and some of your primers might not really feel them. Now this will fill the open pores without clogging them. This is very important because sometimes some products can fill your pores and then clog your pores. Anything that clogs your pores, it means that you're going to start having breakouts, but they say here that it will not clog your pores. I don't know how true that is. I would find out once I start using it, and getting feedback from my clients. So it smells exactly like the skin regenerating hydrating serum. Like there's a fragrance to it. It's very beautiful. Is it beautiful now? It's refreshing. Yeah. Exactly, they have the same fragrance, and it's just, so how would I say it now, divine. It feels really good, and it smells good, right? So if you're one person that loves things that smell good, that's your best buy. I also got a foundation, you guys. This is the biggest point. This is my first time using or owning a Zaron foundation, and I got this one in the shade FZ25. Love it. And another thing I noticed about Zaron product is they all come with expiration dates. Each of the products I have shown you guys just now, they all have expiration dates. If you look very closely, there's a small number here that says 12M, so it means that you have to use this product for just 12 months, which is a year. Now anything later than that, I think the product is no longer good for your skin, right? And not a lot of brands are looking into that. They just create products, and sometimes they forget to put it on the packaging, and I start to count. Some people will be like, okay, so what if you see the expiration date? How do you know if the product has not expired before? I start to count from the day I get it. I start to count from the day I get the product and just assume that 12 months after that. Some even go as far as telling you the year, right, that product will expire, which I think is really, really good. So by the time you're buying something, look out for the expiration date. It's important, so you don't waste money buying product that's already expired and you don't know, and you start using it on your face and it might cause you breakout or skin reaction or whatever. So that's something very important to check. A lot of people still don't know that makeup products expire. Newsflash, they do. They are cosmetic products. They have a lifespan, and some of them are actually like between 2 to 3 months. Some of them are like 6 months. Some are about 1 year. I think max is like 2 years for some eyeshadow palette that I've seen, but nothing later than that, right? So check your products, see if they're expired, and see if you need to change them, throw them away, or get new ones, right? So I got Zaron Perfect Finish. This is an absolute must-have. I legit was going to buy this soon because the one I have was finished, and grateful this came in. So this is like a setting spray you use to set your makeup in place, and it can be applied all over foundation or all over finished makeup, and yeah, as a final step to help lock in your makeup. So this is a great product, honestly. Great product. Yeah, so that's it for the first bag, and I'm going to move straight to the second bag. You guys, I got the 4-in-1 Wink Mascara by Zaron. Love this. If you watch my last vlog for the Benin Makeup Fair, you would see that I did review this mascara. I showed you guys that I got this at the fair, and I love it. Even my clients, they've been telling me, wow, what mascara is that? And I have a few people who are on my list to buy this mascara right now. So if you don't already know, I am a Zaron beauty consultant. What that means is you can buy original Zaron products from me and have it shipped to you directly. So I'm going to leave my link in the description box. Please patronize your girl. I got this cute sharpener. Alright, so the next thing I got is the Zaron Maxi Blend Compact Powder. Zaron actually has 2 types to this powder. There's one called the mattifying powder. That one is like for people with oily skin, and this one is like perfect for people with maybe normal to dry skin. Like, it's a full coverage powder. Yeah, the next thing I got is the famous gel liner. I got this one in jean. I think jean is like blue or green color. Let's see. I'm of the opinion that gel liners are great for beginners. You have like a lot of control with this other than using a liquid liner. And tada, I got the Zaron 2-in-1 blush and highlights, contour and highlight brush. Yeah, it's a synthetic brush, which is great, and it's quite soft, you guys. It's really soft. I can imagine all the faces I'll be sculpting with this. So I also got a lip pencil, and I use this a lot on all my clients. It's so beautiful. And the very next thing that I'm very excited about is this angled brush. Zaron did so good. One of the things I always look out for when I'm getting or buying an angled brush is how flat and how precise the angled brush is. Because I also got an eyebrow definer. I haven't used it before, but I've seen a video where they were using it on a model. And what? Okay, so we got lipsticks. These are the last. Okay, no, I got one concealer in the shade AZ Medium. Right, that's what it looks like. I've used that concealer before. I love it. It's lightweight, it smells good. Zaron products always have a thing with fragrance. Like, the concealer smells good. Every time I use this concealer on my clients, they be like, what is that? Like, it smells like bubble gum. It smells like, it smells so good. I mean, every time I use it on clients, I always get a comment like, what is that? Why does it smell so good? I'm like, it's just concealer. They're like, wow, that's amazing. The truth about this concealer is it gives coverage, but it dries fast. It dries really fast. This is not one of the concealer you want to apply all over your face before you start blending. No, it will dry out on you real quickly. So you want to apply on one part of your face and blend out completely. Go over the other side, apply and blend. That's how you enjoy this concealer. It's amazing. So I got lipsticks. Yeah, so I got 3 beautiful shades of lip glosses. All right, so I got this matte lipstick. This one is in Blondie. Nefertiti is like a purple lipstick. It's really beautiful. I cannot wait to try all of these products. And that's it, you guys. That's everything. Thank you, Zaron. Thank you so much for sending me these products. I really appreciate you guys, and thank you all so much for watching. Let me know if you use any of these products I just showed you guys. Let me know your thoughts about Zaron products. If you've ever tried Zaron products, comment down below. If you're a Zaron babe, use the hashtag Zaron babe down below in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.